Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make and share the benefits of turmeric tea. This tea is made with grated turmeric root or powder, and I'm using the turmeric powder for this recipe. The following are the ingredients. So I'm adding 5 cups of water. Some water will evaporate during the boiling process, but I just need 2 cups of this drink. So we are going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric has a primary active ingredient called curcumin, which is used to color food and cosmetics. It also has anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Next, we're going to add half tablespoon of black pepper. Black pepper has piperine, which fights radicals, improves digestion and absorption of beneficial compounds in the body. If you are allergic to black pepper, you can opt to use cayenne pepper because they both increase your metabolism for fast weight loss. So just use any. Next is half tablespoon of the amazing cinnamon, which is filled with antioxidants and offers several health benefits, including reduced inflammation and blood sugar levels, improved heart health, and perhaps even weight loss. It also fights off infections and reduce menstrual cramps. So ladies, you can take this tea at that time of the month. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger is most famously known for weight loss. It also alleviates arthritis, pain, and muscle aches. It helps in stomach problems for preventing or stopping nausea due to chemotherapy or surgery. So using this in our ingredient, it will aid a lot. Half tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps in weight loss. It also has an anti-aging component. It boosts cholesterol, blood sugar, diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, liver health, boosts energy, and it also aids in digestion. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey contains nutrients and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, helps improve cholesterol, and linked with other beneficial effects of heart health. Also heals wounds and burns, sore throat and cough. 1.5 tablespoon of lemon peels. Lemon is extremely good for cleansing the liver and flushing out waste and toxins, as well as aiding in digestion. That can assist in weight loss. Once it comes to a boil, we'll remove it and then we'll strain it to get the tea. We'll add some lemon juice that we squeezed from the first lemon in our ingredient. The juice contains a fair amount of vitamin C and it's less than 25 calories, and it's also a natural diuretic. Healthy turmeric tea is ready. You can pour it on your glass and enjoy the drink. You can take 3 cups a day, 30 minutes after every meal. Please, along that, eat healthy and you'll definitely see a change within 2 days, even without doing exercises. But it's advisable to combine exercises while also drinking this tea. So let's try it out and drink this tea to see our body shrink. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.